Okay, we're at 1518 Kincaid. Overall, the fire escape looks in very good condition. All the connections have been duplicated or reinforced. Most of the original hardware has been replaced or duplicated. The fire escape, as you can see, is fully painted. No rust is visible, so it's been very well maintained. As you can see, here's more examples of how the connections have been duplicated. They're both welded and then bolted. Okay, going down the stairs. Stairs are very steep, and one thing I will note is the railings are very short on each side of the stairs. There's the upper brace to the wall. Overall, the stair system, the cantilever stair system, and the way it's braced to the wall is unique, but overall, there's no safety concerns. As you can see, these connections have been duplicated underneath the steps, because the steps are both welded and bolted underneath with angles. This is the only failure I noticed on the fire escape, where this side of the angle looks good, but the right side looks good when it comes to the brick. This side, the brick is, as you can see, is cracked, and the mortar is missing, and the horizontal angle there has pushed in to the wall on the left side there. There's another view. As you can see, very steep, very steep stairs. But overall, cantilever is functioning. The fire escape's fully painted, and as you can see, it's in good condition.
Failed with major repairs. Technical repair report for bidding. Restoration with permit by a fully licensed vendor. Engineer oversight. 3 site visits. Certification with owner liability in lieu of a load test. Load test still may be required by the AHJ.